Good morning, my students. I miss you so much. I am Mr. Muhammad Said. I am with you today, and we are going to talk about the last lesson in our activity book, which is called Phobias. Phobias is the last lesson in Unit 12. We are going to talk about it, but before we are going to talk about this lesson, what is the meaning of the word phobia? Do you know what is the meaning of the word phobia? Phobia, it means that you have a strong fear of something. If you are afraid of something very much, here you have a phobia of this thing. So let's start our lesson for today. Number one, what is the objectives of our lesson? Number one, to use some new vocabulary in some sentences. Number two, to talk about phobias. And number three, to write a paragraph about phobias. Number four is to answer the book and worksheet question. So, before we start our lesson, what kind of phobia do you have? Any one of you, do you have phobia or not? And if you have a phobia, what kind of phobia do you have? Let's start our lesson with the new vocabulary and their definitions. Phobia means a strong fear of something or someone. Darkness means having very little or no light. Dizzy, having a whirling sensation in the head with a tendency to fall. Alone means without anyone or anything else. Means here that you are alone. Strong, not sick or injured. Not sick or injured. So, we will continue our lesson. Here, I will ask you to name three kinds of phobia. Some people have phobias of darkness. Some people have phobia of high places, and some people have phobia of what else? I want you to name three kinds of phobia. In the exercise number one, choose the correct answer. Number one, this is the reaction people get. Salty water comes from their bodies. It will be what? Number A, snake. Number two, sweet. Number three, hole. Number D, stay alone. I want you to think about this answer. Very good, you are excellent. It will be number B, sweet. Sweet here, it means the salty water comes from their bodies. Number two, this is a reaction. A person is afraid of something very much. It will be number A, sweet. Number B, snake. Number C, phobia. Number D, hole. I think that you know the answer very much. A person is afraid of something very much. It means C, phobia. Excellent. You are very good. Number three. This is an operation through something. This is an operation. This is an opening through something. Phobia, snake, hole, sweet. And the answer will be hole. The answer will be hole. Number four, this is a reptile like a cobra or anaconda. It has no legs. Here it will be snake. It will be snake. And exercise number two, complete the following sentences. Hole, phobia, stay alone, snake, sweet. We will use these words in this exercise. Number one, this is the reaction. A person is afraid of something very much. Very good. It will be phobia. Number two, this is an opening through something. It will be hole. Number three, this means to be in a place with no one else. It will be alone. Number three, it will be alone. Number four, this is a reptile like a cobra or anaconda that has no legs. It will be snake. Number five, this is a reaction. a person is afraid of something very much, it will be phobia. And the homework for today is read and correct number 1. There is a phobia who is a fear of snakes. Do you think phobia, it will be who? It will be what? I want you to think about the answer. Number 2, there is a pharmacy that is fear of snake. Pharmacy is wrong, of course. Number 3, there is a phobia which is a loving of snake. Do you think that phobia is loving of snake? I think not. So this is our lesson for today. I hope that you are all safe and I wish you good luck. Thank you for today.